today is moving day. I'm so freaking happy. Like, y'all don't understand. Everything is out. We packing. Miss Shitty Pants. Devontae right there. And then yeah, y'all. And yeah, we finna get the fuck, like literally. Hey y'all, I'm sweating buckets. I'm super duper duper scooper duper hot. The U-Haul's packed up. I'm finna check the mailbox first and then whoop whoop, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, whew, I'm so hot, y'all. Let me open the door. Whew. And if I didn't get everything, then I guess I'm gonna have to come an hour and something back. I ain't got no car, y'all. Somebody go bring it to me, period. Or mail it. But yeah, y'all, I'm so happy. I never seen this apartment yet, y'all. So, oh no. Alright, so there's a washer and dryer. Then you go down the hall. There's a bathroom. It's not really too much in the bathroom. I like how much light it got in here though. Okay. Now we're gonna go into the second bedroom. I like this bedroom. I like this little floor, this thing right here, really. And they got a closet right here. And now we go to our room. It's a little small. I ain't gonna cap, it's a little small. And it was bigger than the old apartment, and I'm happy. Trust me. Alright, and then we got the Jack and Jill for me and my boyfriend. He need to stay on his side. And there's a cabinet in between. And then over here is our shower. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. After I decorate and stuff, after I decorate, he's probably not gonna want to decorate. He don't know how to decorate, I don't think. He's just gonna go whatever I think is cool or whatever. But yeah, after I decorate, it's gonna look way better. And I can't wait to decorate, like, y'all don't understand. But I'm so exhausted for all this stuff. I got most of this stuff in here. This dresser gotta go, bro. My brother's girlfriend left it, and I thought I won taking it, but this shit is so ass. Like, the drawers don't even look close. It's so cheap. I should have known though, cause she y'all see this? It's super cute. Y'all tell me this isn't giving downtown. Like, I think I got a lot done today. We're waiting for the water to become hot, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Okay, so this is the first morning. This was the first morning of staying in the apartment. I feel like I got so much done. Probably not. But I'm just so ready to go shopping or whatever. Let me show y'all. I'm washing clothes right now. This is my hair on. Girl, I don't know why my boyfriend didn't be discreet about this. I don't like this at all. I'm gonna get him to move that because this looks so ghetto. But y'all, look how much I got done. This much boxes. And it's the room. And yeah.